Welcome to 360 VR video, where every frame is an invitation to explore. In this 180 degrees immersive experience, you'll meet fascinating people, discover breathtaking places, and embark on an unforgettable adventure, all from the comfort of your screen. So, relax and let yourself be transported into a world like no other. Stay with me and enjoy the journey. Good morning, friends. Welcome back to another episode of 360 Degrees VR video. I've just slipped on my shades, and I'm ready for another walk by the sea. Today's light is soft, like the city's whisper. Slow down, take it in. The sun is warming up Barcelona Beach, and little by little, it's filling with life. Strollers, sun seekers, swimmers, and storytellers like me. This walk is about freedom, but a special kind. The kind that's wrapped in sunlight, sea salt, and quiet courage. Today, we're exploring how in Barcelona, toplessness isn't just allowed, it's an option. A personal one. I've just stepped barefoot into the sand, and I can already feel the warmth soaking through. We're on Barcelona Beach again, but today I want to take you deeper. Not just into this place, but into what it represents. Here, right at the edge of the Mediterranean, is where freedom meets the sea. Today's walk is about the topless choice, not as a trend, but as a symbol of quiet confidence and ease. Barcelona gives you a gift you didn't know you needed, the permission to be at ease. You see it in the way people sit, how they stretch, how they close their eyes to the sun. Toplessness here isn't bold, it's normal. Women of all ages, body types, and backgrounds choose to be topless or not. There's no judgment either way. I once chatted with a bartender who told me, every summer we get tourists who come here expecting wildness, but what they find instead is peace. This beach doesn't shout its freedom, it whispers it. That quiet confidence? It's contagious, and that's what makes Barcelona so special. Let's walk. When people hear topless beach, they often imagine something dramatic, even provocative. But when you actually get here, you'll notice it's not. It's peaceful, natural, even mundane. Like reading a book, drinking a café con leche, or, like me, walking with your sunglasses on. In Barcelona, toplessness isn't a spectacle. It's not about being bold or daring. It's about being comfortable in your skin. Here, that choice belongs to the individual. I love that. I remember the first time I walked down this beach and saw women casually topless, talking, laughing, sunbathing. It stopped me for a moment, not out of shock, but because it was so normal. That's when I realized, this wasn't about nudity. It was about normalizing the body, treating it as it is, human, varied, beautiful, and no one's business but your own. This freedom doesn't happen by accident. It's the result of a culture that's worked hard to unlearn shame, that's refused to sexualize every inch of the human body, that's built a society where women, in particular, can make their own calls, without fear, without explanation. And what's amazing, once you're here for a while, it starts to feel completely normal. Just like choosing to wear sunglasses when the sun's out, no one questions it, and no one tells you not to. It's your choice, your eyes, your body. I met someone here recently, a college student visiting from Brazil. She told me that walking along Barcelona, she felt something open inside her. She hadn't gone topless yet, but she felt different, freer. as if just being in a place where people owned their bodies so confidently gave her permission to rethink how she saw her own. Isn't that beautiful? Sometimes you don't need to take your top off to feel transformed. You just need to be in a space that says, you can. This is what I love about Barcelona. The freedom is subtle, but it's everywhere. You can walk barefoot. You can lie in the sun topless. You can kiss in the park. You can cry in public. And no one will tell you to be smaller, quieter, more appropriate. Barcelona doesn't shrink you. It expands you. So, the next time you hear someone talk about topless beaches in Barcelona, remember, it's not about spectacle. It's about sovereignty. And whether or not you ever take off your top, just being here might change something in you. Might unlock a little more self-acceptance, a little more peace. And that's why I keep walking this beach. That's why I keep sharing these stories. Because every time I put on my sunglasses and step out here, I see the world not just as it is, but as it could be. Thanks for walking with me today on 360 Degrees VR video. If this made you feel something, share it, subscribe, tell a friend, or just sit quietly and let the sea speak to you. As the day winds down here on Barceloneta, I can't help but feel a deep gratitude for this place. A place where the freedom to choose is real and tangible. Whether you wear your top or not, whether you're splashing in the waves or sitting quietly with a book, this beach accepts you exactly as you are. It reminds me that comfort with our own bodies isn't just a personal journey, it's a shared experience that grows stronger in spaces of acceptance. I hope you feel inspired to visit Barceloneta someday, to breathe in the sea air, and to witness how freedom and respect dance together on this golden sand. Thank you so much for joining me on 360 Degrees VR video. If this story touched you, please like, share, and subscribe. It means the world. And remember, wherever you go, keep your sunglasses handy.